Nature's Garden Saffron and Cedar Fragrance Oil. Let this herbal, earthy fragrance oil build you up with an aromatic arrangement of fresh-cut cedar trees surrounded by saffron spice. Delicate middle notes of violet and geranium mixed with vetiver and warm musk to close out this fragrance. Our customers create enticing products with this fragrance oil, including dynamic decorative candles, herbal homemade soaps, blissful bath and body products, and savory room scents. Check out our free recipes and classes at naturesgardencandles.com. Nature's Garden, your fragrance oil leader.